Hello viewers, welcome to learn lesson number 2 of English grammar course. In our today's lesson, we will study collective noun with examples. Viewers, here we repeat the definition of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing or an idea. And we learned examples in our previous lesson. Let's start today's lesson from collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a collection or group of persons or things taken together and is spoken of as one whole. Or its another definition is collective noun stands for a group of people, animals or things. Collective noun examples: an army of soldiers, a bundle of sticks, a band of musicians, a batch of boys, a bench of magistrates, a board of directors, a century of years, a chain of mountains, a cluster of islands, a galaxy of stars, a code of laws, a colony of people, a company of merchants, team of players, a crowd of people, a dozen of eggs, a forest of trees. Viewers, all underlined words are collective nouns. These underlined words looks as a singular word, singular noun, but actually it is a collective noun. It is a collection of people or things and taken together as one complete whole. And remember one thing, collective noun always takes singular verb. If we want to display each and every member of collective noun, then we use singular verb. Is the army has won the territory. Here we used army and we use has a singular verb. The press has played its due role. Here press is a collective noun and we used has because we are going to show the role of praise. It is a flock of beautiful birds. Here flock is a collective noun and we used is as a singular verb because we are going to display flock of beautiful birds. But when we define each member of the collective noun, then we use plural verb. As all the soldiers in the army were fit. The members of the press have struggled hard. The birds in the flock are very beautiful. Means here we are going to present or express each member of the collective noun. That's why we use plural verb when we are going to express collective noun, then we use singular verb, and we are going to express each and every member of the collective noun, then we use plural verb. And one thing should be remembered, that collective noun when used in the middle of the sentence, then it should be right with small letters. But when it comes at the beginning of a sentence, then we use capital letters. Viewers, I hope that this lesson will be very fruitful for you, and must understand these some points about collective noun: army, bundle, band, batch, bench, board, century, chain, cluster, galaxy, code, colony, company, team, crowd, dozen, and forest are all examples of collective nouns. You can also refer to a good dictionary and you can find many collective nouns and increase your vocabulary. See you in next lesson of material noun. Thanks for watching.